What yoy? Welcome to Cook and Vibe. I choose I'm tired, I don't know. Hey, I'm telling you people, I'm tired, man. But you know what, we're there and we have to do the work. So, yeah, man, we've got a special guest on the show today. Yeah, man, big artist, you know, big artist. Yeah, George P. Big up yourself and family. Every time, man, so, like I put him Instagram right there so you can just follow the artist. See what I want, you see me? Yeah, so a Grand Spend, this is a place called Grand Spend in Kingston. A lot of artists come from here. Joshy.
Yeah, they talk to me, them just kill my friend now what them want to me. Out of bed, no see nobody fi argue with. But when a band fight on me, them can't bully what.
New, popular, big artist in Jamaica is from here. You know, Savage is from other artists, is from here. Do you know what I'm saying? Kibaki, we say Mavado.
Singing Sweet.
Yeah.
Cutty Ranks.
See it there.
So I said Joseph Stepper.
Yeah.
See me, who's the artist? Dan Pre, whole heap of upcoming artists.
Okay, okay, Dan Pre from
Predator,
here.
whole heap of artists.
So it's a Grand Spend history vlog we're doing today. Yeah, a natural thing. We're just gonna give you some information. This is a place where, how can I explain it? You have to be careful. But this is what we do on Cook and Vibe. We make it no say, as long as you're good people, you know good people, you can go anywhere. And it's a one love, one people. You understand, people? So you can go anywhere in a life, you know, as long as you know what you're doing, you're clean and you're real. You understand? So yeah, man, that's how you get them type of vlogs there, because you can't find them vlogs there nowhere else on the internet. That me I tell the people. One M dot, one ZIS, one YGP. One George P, isn't it?
Evident money. So I say,
yeah,
we're there in the place, you know the thing, of full endorsement, everything up. You see me I say? So we are doing it. Step in the street. You see it?
Yes, so right here, you're looking at where, you know, so Cook and Vibe. So we're responsible for food and a chill. So this is where Josh's mother, she sells a soup. Do you know what I mean? So we got Josh's mum. Yeah, bless her up every time we just see her. We just blessed her up. Big up mummy. Respect and manners every time. You know what I'm saying? Big up the artists. We got every artist from Grand Spend. You understand? Yeah, it's my. I've been Grand Spend before once, but this is my first time actually walking around and seeing the place. So yeah, it's new for me as well. So as you are watch it, me I watch it. There's many people. So it's Cook and Vibe. Josh's mother's soup. Hot, you see me? Yeah, so good vibes. So we there give some history.
Half shot to do this. So I say Mr. Bush. I don't know the thing, but you see me?
Okay.
That's how they are going to be, you see it?
Yeah.
So this is Jamaica Lane, half shot to do.
Okay.
So we are half shot to do in Jamaica Lane.
Okay.
This is a famous lane also. And a student right here, so follow for the general. I want to check to make it see what I want.
Okay, I'm gonna see what I've got. Alright, so we're at the studio right now. So this studio, yeah, we got Falco. Of course. You get me? So this is the studio name is
New Beginnings.
New Beginnings, so see that?
Yeah man, New Beginnings Records.
And
Falco in general.
See that? So I've been told that every artist in Grand Spend, every artist that boss in a Grand Spend, they have to, this is the studio they use. This is where they recorded their songs. You can see the booth right there. You get me? So Wally Star, I stand up in that booth there. You get me? So right now, me have to stand up in that booth there for you. Yeah, so you know, so we have to just, the energy, to me I'm an energy. You know, I like energy, so I have to create energy. So now I stand up in this booth right here because all the stars have stood right here and you know, say I'm a star. Isn't it, people? Yeah! So we have to just stand up and just hold the, yeah. And they'll say, every artist, every big artist use these headphones and this mic, right? That's all. And we done there. So it's a blessing. You get me? Big up George P. Well, without George P, this episode wouldn't happen. So make sure you go follow him on Instagram and check out his music. Big artist from a long time ago. Yo, may I tell you, you're just gonna check it out. I'm gonna have to talk too much. Cause you will recognize real. You know, anything I endorse on Cooking Vibe is no joke. You know what I'm saying? So check out the artist. We're there in the studio. We got Falco, New Beginnings. Yeah. We got Z. You don't know again, because without Z, none of these things won't happen. Make sure you go over to his YouTube channel. Right now he's on the road to monetization. So what I need you to do is I need you to go to highest YGP1. I need you to subscribe and you need to just run up the watch hours. Yeah, just run up the watch hours and make sure you follow the artist. So I end up record a tune. Sit there, so we blessed up the booth. Yo, them lazy, you know, yo, Zena easy him say, DJ, go on do a tune now, man. Yes, but no sleep. I got in at 7 o'clock this morning. Last night we was out partying with Popcorn and Joshie and all of them. It was mad. So now I'm tired, but you know, work up a grind. So anyway, yeah, we blessed the booth anyway. You get me? So yeah, man. Grand spend. It's Cooking Vibe. Why I? Yeah, what do you think? Me not beat him up, because him no want to dip on camera, but you see Falco, him not easy, you know. The man say, go on, do a tune the DJ, man, go on now, boot, man. He didn't even give me a chance for even spar with the rhythm. He just said, go in that booth. That's how it go, and that's how you get music done. So I went in there, boom, tune, George P, yo, the man not easy, quick and fast with lyrics, man.
You say, man, I said, I have to make the thing happen.
I saw you can't read him so fast.
No, we're not playing. Ready. I'll be ever active,
yeah.
fully.
Yo.
You see me? So we are doing it and keep the thing.
If you ever know how quickly we wrap up that tune there, but I'm gonna be honest, I choose say we are bad artists, George P are bad artists, and Falco a bad artist same way. So Falco does music as well, so check out his music, but also engineering levels compared to London. It's different levels. Them man, they're on a different level of engineering. From the time you do your song, you hear about the song now, you can't even remember you had to do that song there. That I tell you, man, big up Falco, you get me? We're here in the studio.
General, you see?
Yeah.
Big up Falco, you know the thing on your beginnings. Big up the whole YGB one camp.
Ole!
You know the settings.
One camp.
Love settings.
Get it, man. Oh, yo, you can't get too much, you know. You can't get one little piece. You can't get one little piece.
Can't destination to that tough like steel. You feel bad real. Get the president upon the back of feet.
One John P.
Like talks them from villa. Clap one in your face and you asleep on your pillar. And one time you're gonna classify we are skiller. Come on, mother than show down fat pillar killer. So Jack's the chiller. Kingfishing fear, I'm a punch you, my skiller. Shot boy out at night, yeah, Reebok and filler. MT that and JB, we are the blood skiller.
Not in the traffic. Now we're fully already know about this. You don't know, we say we give George P a talk because as we are walk, I'm noticing a lot of things. I'm noticing a lot of elders show you respect.
Yeah, man. So do it in our community, man. Because you know what is what, you know.
Yeah.
Musical mission with them, and we're not doing any foolishness.
So you look like a very well-respected person in the area.
Yeah, man, well-respected, man. People know what time it is. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And also,
General.
Manners.
when we walk to a certain part there, a man say, right there he was going to stop, like he didn't really want to go no further because there's certain parts that obviously, you know, like London, you know how it goes, certain ends, you can't walk into man's ends, you know how it goes, people. So the same thing here, but I noticed that's not really the same settings for you.
No, not the same settings in me, because I don't know, I don't really get a president, you know.
Right, that's why they call you the president.
Yeah, so at the end of the day, my thing have a mutual. Me
Yeah.
have to make sure say me can go everywhere.
Yeah.
If me can go everywhere in my community, there's a problem.
Yeah.
You understand what I say?
Yeah.
So
True.
everything good in my place. You understand me?
True.
Go anywhere at all. Do the
True.
music and do what we have to do and keep the thing going.
Yeah. So this place here behind us, this has some history.
So we are move out of the music out.
Yeah.
You understand me? I say flex the whole works. Fear
Okay.
and fraternity. You get what I say?
Okay.
We used to jump the gully wall and go take bunch of people over, walk over this.
Okay.
Killer used to live over this up and over this. I don't know. My father used to come from Cassava Piece, link up on the field and I would go over there. Let's see me more time when Norrisman will touch up. Norrisman say we jump the wall and we know for for walk
Yeah.
at the gate and
So you just
they look for the fence and be a bag wire and everything there, everything, because the whole thing change up.
Yeah.
And people are saying, we used to go over there in 2030 and we were jump
Yeah.
over there just to find the killer.
Yeah. So basically, yeah, the dog I say like Mavado, this is where him and Mavado used to chill out. You get me? And Golly side, you know, everybody knows Mavado. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and also was this the Golly where Golly Bop was when he done the lyrics? I know is that a different
I
part?
see him grand spend.
Yeah.
I got it out at that side.
So
You
over
understand?
this side there's the same like Golly like this, and if you know Golly Bop, that's where he first went viral when he was in the Golly and he just bossed 2 lyrics and it went viral. The next thing you know, he was on Sting, he mashed up Sting. Yeah, so then and me and Golly Bop end up doing a tune, which is mad. So I'll show you that right now as well.
Yo, I'm going back. I am that. I'm the action man. That. T39. Where say to them M that? Where say to them Golly? Hey, yo, I would have feel. And this is what you have for the girl them. Are you ready? Take the nigga, let's make off and mash it up and wine. Bunny, making sure them up the walk and mama get more up on girl if you get more.
You get me? Nothing gonna know that when Golly Bop got
Golly
even.
Bop on my G, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, that's a film black too, you know.
Yeah.
You're gonna have new steady.
Okay.
See me? Then I have some power.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, yeah, people are nice vibes, man. It's good to see, you know what I'm saying? It's good to see these type of areas, and you know, say since we've been in Jamaica this time, we give the people them a little side of the garrison and then thing there, and it's like them see a different side.
Of course, because remember, you know, the garrison is like the mother of music
Yeah.
in Jamaica.
Yeah.
If you notice, most of the youth them rise in the music are from the garrison, from nothing to something.
The garrison is a ghetto, by the way, people.
Yeah, the garrison are the ghetto, you understand me? That's why I have to do songs like ghetto car, ghetto youths have to make it. You see when I say ghetto youths, so you have to make it. So we go hard, ghetto youths want them G's have to fly go abroad. Politician them the real, the system of fraud. Them want the ghetto youths them for dead like dog. Ghetto youths me can tell you when me hungry and me want food feed. Me have to touch the street, me want a shoes for my feet. Can buy a Nike so me go hold one with cheap price and pieces Sunday evening is a bulla we have to great. So the thing I'm going in a real life money. So when I say, yeah man.
Yo,
The real thing,
check
man.
out the dog's music, and we've got a brand new tune dropping. Yo, how quick and fast. Yo, in about 20 minutes we wrap up the tune. Quick and fast the tune. Bad, no joke thing.
Use the music and lock down every corner. Send the crocodile, alligator, iguana. Music in my blood from birth to my born. You want to skit, find a play, member and a drama. Music on my life, YGP, I'm a dream. I'm a pull up on my scheme with the king girl I scream. Presidential rollings, madam mean. I'm in a smell green after me in a miss a bean. When music on my hobby, you can find me in the lobby with a few sexy chicks that try to harass my body. The real ghetto president, me no mad smaddy girl, I call me them daddy, some rape my like. Through my lyrics, them a fire and it move anybody. Benz and be my boss, and the cabin when the music plays like a big grand finale. USA, UK, Canada, Italy, boom! You don't know the real ghetto president, is it? Mad. Them ask me my band, them ask me where I come from. Grand spend Fagan and the junction. In the gutter and the trench and the dumpland. Make me tell you about the ghetto where my born and my grow. Enough things my face and a lot of things me know me I gotta tell you where I come from. Come from me say down in the dungeon. The dungeon me I gotta tell you where my born, me I gotta tell you where I live. Grand spend Fagan as you go across the bridge, me I gotta tell you where I come from. Come from me say down in the dungeon. The dungeon me I gotta tell you about the place where my birth. You have to put your first. The demons them a free me while the take and them a curse. You have the pickpocket, the killers first, the ones that grab the. You got inform upon the phone, I call the cops them pay. You got some militant youth, some of our trade, some got to work. the nurses and the doctor, lawyer, some up bank clerk. You always have a done for the turf. Boom! Real ghetto president, you see it. Ghetto cry, ghetto life, you know the thing, and real thing. Why JP?
Yeah. So watch out for the new music.
New
George
chop.
P. M.R. We don't even we done it so far. We don't even know what I call it.
We just clap up the thing. I know the thing, you see me a two genius link up.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
musical mission. And
Trust me.
we just make the magic work.
Yeah,
So
because
me I say,
that's how music works. From time you're a bad artist, you're a bad artist.
and the energy connect.
Yeah,
So me I
yeah.
say, so the thing
You
that's
get
work.
me? So a same thing like Z, YGP, you know, them man they're bridging from long time, we bridging from long time. It's like we know each other already.
One camp and
Yeah.
yeah. Them man from
Yeah,
morning,
man.
man, I know evening, so
So-
you don't know the thing, but so we make the connection roll.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand me I say? And that's why you can connect up with George P and George P can connect up with you.
Amen.
The unity
Yeah.
and the love where the G them and push. You see me I say?
You see it there,
that
people?
The key. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, that make the thing a grow.
So
You understand?
you're seeing different side of Jamaica. I'm glad to give you this respect for taking us around the area and showing us the place.
See, I gully this month.
Yeah.
You my father say gully side and you know now say all of
Okay, gully side. Oh, that's why they call it gully side because of the
gully side.
big.
They run go straight up, back
Okay.
go straight back down. So now say every gully connect, you know.
That makes
Every
sense.
gully connect.
That makes sense.
Every gully connect. You
Okay.
walk through the gully and you can find yourself way down a sea view. Every gully connect.
See it there? I bet you never knew that. You get me? So yeah, people, bless up yourself. It's Cook and Vibe, M.R, George P. Look out for the new music.
It's over there.
We got YGP. Then I think so.
One ghetto president.
Why?
You see?